Hi, I'm Eric.
And I'm Angela.
Last time we brought to you the Firefly, a custom fire starter designed to fit into the toothpick slot of your Swiss Army knife. Thanks to the support of our amazing backers and sharing community, Firefly was a huge success.
We've delivered this amazing new product to thousands of happy backers and customers around the world, and we continue to have new and repeat customers every day.
But we've heard feedback from many customers wanting more options.
The most common request was for a fire starting option that allowed users to keep their toothpick. I thought I smelled something.
Squatch, you've got to stop sneaking up on us like that.
As I was saying, we've heard from many customers who use their toothpicks every day. And they want a fire starting method that allows them to keep their toothpicks.
Oh, come on, Squatch. The toothpick isn't that gross. Are you done? So we've designed the FireAnt.
The FireAnt is a fire starting tool created to fit right into the corkscrew of your Swiss Army knife.
We plan to make the FireAnt in 3 different bright neon colors. They will also be able to glow in the dark through the whole night, making it super easy to find your fire starter and your knife.
The sparking rod in each FireAnt will come with a special anti-corrosive coating to make them look great and last well in adverse conditions.
But we haven't created just another sparking tool. The FireAnt will be a complete fire starting system.
We've also designed a special tinder that integrates with the FireAnt in the same space. We call it Helix Tinder.
Helix Tinder is a special wax tinder that's easy to light and burns for a long time, making it easy to start a fire in any weather condition, rain, snow, or shine.
And one Helix tinder can be separated and used multiple times.
The sparking steel on the FireAnt will be made from the same high-quality, easy-to-spark formula we developed for the Firefly.
So it's easy to get lots of big hot sparks, which are great for lighting all kinds of tinders.
With your help, we can't wait to turn this idea into something everyone can have.
So we want to thank you so much
for supporting this project. Where's my knife? Squatch!
Hey, put some fire in your sack.